I'm at the Maryland State Prosecutor's office. I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland because I was making a documentary about the war on drugs, N62528. That's the case right here. In Baltimore County, they ain't did nothing in 2 years. N62528. I'm a whistleblower. And this is the property that was stolen from me in 2011. This is 10 years later. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle. I had 14 movies. One was about Fox 45, Bill O'Reilly. One was about the prison industry. One was about payoffs and named judges and lawyers and politicians. This is to prove I was making a movie. And the state prosecutor done had this information for over 3 years. February the 2nd, at 8:52 a.m., I blew the whistle on Governor O'Malley and 52 members of the mob machine. Just like the Westboro Baptist Church. And y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. That's 3 or 4. And that's Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger kidnapped me, and the state prosecutor won't prosecute him. The same way that y'all went after Nathan, I was kidnapped from my home, and I filed papers with the court. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? I used the toilet to beat you. That's 2007, and you kidnapped me from my family. That's Rob Fix. That's Governor O'Malley, and my property was ordered to be returned. 10 years later, I still ain't got my property. That's the Board of Victim Services. I filed these papers with the court. All right? I was making a movie. The movie's about your prison industry and the money you make off of black bodies. Traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and our kids is the cash crop. That's, see that? 2011. All right? Any media, that's me. That's Linda Dodge from Parole and Probation. That's Mr. McGee. That's Jeremy Stemick. All right, like I said, they got this. And this is a total breakdown of the criminal enterprise. Kai Jackson, Adam May, Bob Turk, Ron Matz, Tim Williams, Ston Saunders, Gigi Barnett, Marty Bass, Mike Shue, Brent Jones, Toilet Caper, Destructive Device. Yeah, that's how you lied on me. Congressman Keith Ellison, now he's the Attorney General for Minnesota. See that? These are the people that knew about it. Elected officials in the state of Maryland with full knowledge. Senator James Broshin, Parole and Probation, Dan Moran, Bobby Zirkin, McIntosh, Toma Branch, McFadden, and Jill P. Carter. All right? Jill P. Carter. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. I was making a movie. Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. That's Judge Foreman. That's Audrey Nixon. Shorty documentary. That's James Hammond. James Hammond, Brothers Insurance, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, defrauded the government out a lot of money. Paul Weinblatt. Weinblatt and Associates. Shorty documentary. Hazel Norman is a witness. Her daughter Nancy is a witness. I got a lot of witnesses because a lot of people in the movie. Jake Davis, forgery, income tax evasion, fraud, racketeering. You got a lot of cases that you're going to have to deal with. Darlene Davis, Jake Davis, Deron Battle, Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr., Paul Weinblatt. Yeah, I was locked up in another state. That's a vulnerable individual law. I was making a movie. Supreme Court going to get it. Barack Obama got it. That's Compliance Division. And like I said, a town hall. We want all this material to the voters. Everything since 2006 for the voters to see. Because I'm going to show the world what being black in America is. I was insured, and that's the Shorty Youth Services. Shorty Youth Services. You robbed a nonprofit. You got to give me an audit. That store on Falls Road. Governor O'Malley. And Commissioner Belfield. That's the checks from 2008. That's not my signature. You feel me? And that's Bank of America. That's not my signature. Those are not my signatures. Those are not my signatures. All right. Falls Road, 2008. You had that. And it's filed in Towson. It's already filed. Paul Weinblatt, Margaret Davis, Philip Davis, and Cheryl Nelson. All right. I was on the wire. I was on the House of Cards. Yeah. These are the false charges against me. So I went to state prosecutor, like I said. These are false charges. I'm willing to go to court. Maryland Legislative Black Caucus. Amnesty International, 2014. These are the public officials that participated in it. Like I said, a federal and state audit. That's the Attorney General. That's Governor Hogan. That's Governor Hogan and Al Redmer. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. That's Governor Hogan. That's Mayor Pugh. Y'all got evidence and knowledge of corruption. I was kidnapped by the state, and we're going to talk about it. I am Dred Scott, 2010. This was a breakdown that I gave ABC2 in 2010. It broke your prison industry down. ABC2 works for Governor O'Malley and his corruption machine, mass incarceration. That's the ceasefire program. That's Governor O'Malley. How you doing? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Let me cut this off because I don't want no problems. These are all the officials that participated in my kidnapping. And I'm getting ready to start to the state prosecutors with his witness. I don't have one.